Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the 4-point bending of the laced reinforced concrete dip beam here in Abaqus. So let me remove the concrete beam to check the laced reinforcement here. See the reinforcement. The reinforcement is not like the typical model. It is a little bit different, you can see. And if I click on this, you can see the stress for the laced steel reinforcement. It's increased the ductility of the model, and we can check plastic strain for it or displacement or anything else. Now let me replace the concrete. This is the concrete. Let me check the stress here, stiffness degradation, compression damage, and the tension damage. It is fully damaged. You can see if I click on animate, you can see the damage propagation, and this is the final view. Also, we can draw the force displacement diagram. See, this is the maximum force around 0.8 meganewton. After that, we have decreasing capacity, and here we have 0 for the force, and that means the beam completely failed. So, if you need model delays the reinforced concrete beam in Abaqus, you can use this tutorial from the first to the end. So if you want to provide it, come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. Here, find the English tutorial here, click on the title or blue sign, this is continue, or you can search the title here to find it. Then you will have part and geometry, the definition, introduction, and then the material step interaction, anything, and then the result as figures. You can see it here. It is something like the papers, the reference paper. The cost for the CAINP English video file and reference paper is 25 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Just before that, send me an email to this address to tell you about the uh, tutorial and the payment method. And also we have a full package containing more than 400 tutorials about all aspects in Abaqus. You can see the main title and also many subtitles inside these main titles here of this full package. The cost for this full package is so affordable. So if you want to provide this full package, also contact me again to this email to tell you about the containment of the contents of the package and anything that you need to know, and also the payment method. And if you have any question, we will be able to answer that. So if you want this full package, also send me email to this address. Thank you for your attention.